Good morning, I'm at Bob Marley Museum on Hope Road, downtown, uptown at Kingston. This is the entrance. It hasn't opened yet, so it's early. But yeah, I'm going to have a tour of the museum, so I'm looking forward to that. Fruits. This is lovely. Welcome to Bob Marley Museum, 56 Hope Gardens. Now today we're going to have a tour of Bob Marley's house. The tour should take about an hour and 30 minutes.
Behind the Irie to be convicted. So Irie is a word we use here in Jamaica, and it simply means the feeling. So the feeling good? Yeah. Alright guys, so welcome to the Bob Marley Museum. Now behind me, right here. So come a little bit closer so we're out of the way. We have a life-size statue of Bob Marley himself. Now it looks tall, right? No? Yeah. Bob is a shorter guy, 5'6" to be exact, around my height. But as we all know, we have a saying here in Jamaica. We're little, but we're taller. And that simply means even though we might be small, our talent's humongous. And we try to use it to the best of our abilities. Now guys, this is where I'm going to ask that we be mindful of the rules of the property. Now once we're on the outside, we are allowed to take right hand your ticket as we proceed. So we're just detaching this little piece and it gives me. Thank you so much.
Welcome to the Bob Marley Museum. My name is Shane. I'm your tour guide for the next 1 hour and 30 minutes. It sounds long, but we'll get through it together. All right?
Bob Marley Museum for about 2 hours. I had a detailed comprehensive tour of the house. I've been into Marley Natural Shop where you can buy your herbs. I've been into the gift shop. I've been around the grounds where you can have a look at the murals, and I would definitely recommend a tour of this site. Yes, what is there not to love about Jamaica?
Alright, ladies and gents, the master percussionist himself, the one, the only, Mr. Bongo Herman. Take it away.
Say, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, no, I'll let you say it one time. So, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Okay, my name is Bongo Herman. I'm a regional percussion player. And this is say taka taka tak. You drop it one time, but don't rush. Just take your time, alright? Taka taka tak.
Yay! Go ahead.
This morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, it's by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message
thing you can do when you come here, you can eat at the One Love Café. Today I had a lovely vegan cake, a lemongrass juice. There's a range of juices, smoothies, as you can see, here they are. You've got sandwiches, you've got wraps, okay? Salad, bowls, there's a lot of healthy bread pudding, vegan banana bread. I had that last time, so yeah. The One Love Cafe at the Bob Marley Museum. What is there not to love about Jamaica?